Alright, this is my 2019 Honda Grom. I'm making the video to show off the Vance and Hines exhaust. I haven't seen very many videos on YouTube. Other mods is a 36-tooth rear sprocket, a Coso intake with a velocity stack, and a Cameron Jones Racing ECU. So it's not a cold start. I've been riding it, so it's already warm. There's the startup. I used to have an AR exhaust. This one's actually as loud, if not louder, but it has a deeper, more burbly sound to it. I do have it up against this wall just so you can hear it a little bit better, give it a little bit of throttle. It is crackly and poppy on the lower RPM. I'll give it a higher end. I know some of you will hate about